Hi, I'm Steve Richardson. If you're going to college or about to start college, one of the things you're probably working on is how to pay for it. And that means looking into financial aid, student loans, that sort of thing. And one of the things you're probably doing is filling out the FAFSA form for the U.S. Department of Education. And that you need to do whether you're applying for federal student loans or some of the other financial aid packages that might be offered by the school you're going to. But no matter what, you have to make that deadline. You have to get the FAFSA form filled out by the school's deadline. And if you're starting school in the fall as a freshman and you've applied to different schools, there may be different deadlines. So you may be under a time constraint. Now, one of the things that is very important about the FAFSA form is your parents' income. And that's taken from the tax return. Now, that can be very easy. On the FAFSA website, you can pull tax information from your parents' tax return. And this is a simple tool that's available to you. But what if your parents haven't filed a tax return yet? Or you're working or have some income that has necessitated the filing of a tax return and you haven't filed your tax return yet. What do? You still have to make the deadline. Well, fill out the form and file it using estimated income from the previous tax year. Then get that in, get that filed. Then once you file your tax return for the previous tax year, you can then modify or amend your FAFSA form to get that updated information. But in the meantime, you're getting the form filled out and you're getting it in front of the U.S. Department of Education and the school or schools that need to see it. So, that's what you need to do with regard to income. If you have any other questions about financial aid and wish to consult with me, and you live in the southern New Jersey area, please feel free to give my office a call. I'd be happy to sit down with you and see what you need to do to make sure you can pay for the education you need.